I said that I saw 3 bolts. I actually saw them right here in the right arm, but they're here in the lower arm. And she said she had excruciating pain. And so we prayed for her, and she's saying that the pain went from excruciating to 0 pain. Will you have her describe it? So she can say it in Portuguese in her own words?
Você pode descrever agora para quem você sente agora? So she came with a lot of pain in her arm. She couldn't really move it.
Eu não conseguia mexer, me movimentar, estava me incomodando muito no começo do culto.
There was a lot of restrictions to movement. It was bothering her a lot. It was nagging pain.
Mas agora eu não sinto nada de dor.
But right now she feels no pain whatsoever. She's free from pain now.
Hallelujah. Obrigado, Senhor.
Glória a Jesus.